Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 121. If you wish to write at a high rate, you must read and master the rules so as to follow them fully and be able to apply them on all occasions. I feel that you cannot fail to fall into the true and right way if you will only try. The race is to the sure and not to the strong. Do not tarry by the way. Remember the fable of the feeble tortoise that outstripped the hare. Master one thing at a time, and you are sure to win. Set apart for study a small portion of each day. Have patience. Rome was not built in a day. High hills grow less as we ascend them. That which is lightly got is little valued. If you would get gold, you must dig deeply. It is not got on the surface. Neither can you enter on the possession of learning without some trouble. If you would obtain a high position, you must not be beaten by what is difficult. Let your letters be neat and light. A large and heavy style waste time. Full stop.